Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, June 23rd, 2021. It is 4:43 and 37 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, brain connectivity. And feel free to check out my website. So let's hop to it here. The self-reported declines in cognition may be linked to changes in brain connectivity. Date June 22nd, 2021. Source, Wayne State University, Office of the Vice President for Research. A research team recently published the results of a 3-year study of cognitive changes in older adults who complained that their cognitive ability was worsening through clinical assessment showed no impairments. The MRI study showed significant changes in functional connectivity in 2 areas of the brain. In older adults, perceived cognitive decline could be an important precursor to dementia. Brain alterations that underlie the experience of decline can reflect the progression of incipient dementia and may emerge before cognitive assessment is sensitive enough to detect a deficit. Longitudinal change in hippocampal and dorsal anterior insulae, functional connectivity, and subjective cognitive decline. The subjective cognitive decline, defined as a perceived worsening of cognitive ability, not noted on clinical assessment, may be an early indicator of dementia. In previous cross-sectional research, has demonstrated aberrant brain functional connectivity in subjective cognitive decline, but longitudinal evaluation has been limited. A research 3-year study found that persons reporting more subjective cognitive decline showed a larger decrease in connectivity between components of a default mode network and a larger increase in connectivity between salience and default mode network components. The functional connectivity changed in the absence of a change in cognitive performance. And since these brain changes occurred without concomitant cognitive changes, they could indicate that brain changes underlie the perception of decline. And these changes could be a sensitive marker for nascent dementia, months or years before assessment. Detect any cognitive deficit. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.